This is the new RAN techniques for 5G ultra-dense mobile networks, Team Up 5G. H2020 project with grant agreement number 813,391. For further information please visit our website teamup5g.webs.tsc.usm.s. My name is Ilias Nectarios ETNs and I am the early stage researcher number 10. We will see some of the low power wide area technologies available. What we will see is LPWA use cases, the most used LPWA technologies like LoRa, Sigfox, Narrowband Internet of Things, MSCA ITN as well as other LPWA technologies. LPWA technologies are mainly focused on energy efficiency, scalability, and coverage. These technologies typically operate in the unlicensed industrial, scientific and medical band, which is shared by all short range, as defined by ETSI. LoRa, Sigfox, Narrowband Internet of Things, and Wave, just to mention a few. LPWA networks are suitable for applications that produce a small amount of data over long periods. Applications that require small data transfer over large distances. With precise agriculture, smart transportation and Industry 4.0 being some of them. The most used LPWA technologies based on the publications. LoRa is a proprietary physical layer technology by Semtech, operating on 433 MHz or 868 MHz in Europe, 915 MHz in Australia and North America and 923 MHz in Asia. The upper layers are open, the most used is LoRaWAN, managed by LoRa Alliance. One of the most important characteristics of LoRaWAN is spreading factor. Lower SF means more data can be encoded while higher SF less data can be encoded, affecting the transmission time required. While the higher SF is less power efficient, it provides better signal sensitivity which results to better coverage. On the table we can see the data rate and the RSSI sensitivity for each SF. Sigfox is a proprietary ultra-narrowband technology operating in the sub-GHz industrial, scientific and medical band. The business model of Sigfox is subscription-based, as the user has to buy the end device and a subscription to the service. The plan affects the number of uplink and downlink packets, as well as the number of bytes transmitted per day. Narrowband Internet of Things is a 3GPP cellular IoT solution. Unlike the previously mentioned technologies, NB-IoT works on the licensed band. Enhanced indoor penetration compared to LTE. And a subscription-based business model. Narrowband Internet of Things supports 3 different deployment scenarios. In-band operation at 180 kHz. Standalone at 200 kHz. And the guard band operation operating at the same band as LTE guard band. MSCA is a 3GPP cellular IoT solution. Like NB-IoT, MSCA works on the licensed band. Enhanced GSM in order to house the LPWA requirements. Subscription-based business model. Battery life of an MSCA device is estimated at 10 years with a 5 Wh battery. Other LPWA technologies. Other LPWA technologies are Wave, like Sigfox, based on ultra-narrowband communications. Ingenu RPMA, based on 2.4 GHz. Telensa, which can provide fully bidirectional communication. Weightless, defined and managed by the weightless SIG. WAVIOT, the devices have a lifetime of up to 20 years. -7 Alliance Protocol, is a protocol designed for a wireless sensor network applications being developed by the -7 Alliance. Thank you for your attention.